All right, and engine is going in. Should have this plugged up so we don't lose any of that torque fluid. Let's go in there with no problems, baby girl. No problems, please. All right, got quite a bit done. Exhaust is on, wheels are on, axles are on, control arms are connected. We still have to do all the coolant, the cooling housing. We have to put the accessory belt on. We got to put the AC compressor, the alternator, the battery, all of the wiring harness, the shifter cables, all of the coolant. But exhaust is on. That's it. Intake. We just got a couple of parts over here. Radiator, intake, the coolant, alternator belt, battery, all the shit I fucking just named off. Sweet, we are almost there. I think we'll finish this off tomorrow. I think I will probably end it off here in a little bit. All right, it is now Sunday. Time to get this sucker back together. Engine's already in, axles are in, everything's good to go. Now we just got to focus on the engine bay. We'll slap everything together, fire it up, and we'll hit the hills. I just got a new drone. It's a DJI, and I've been getting a lot of footages, and I'm really excited about that drone. So I want to go get some footage of the Civic in the mountains, and I'll bring you guys along with me if we get it running. So let's get right to it, and let's get this sucker up and going so we can accomplish our mission for today. Yeah. I'm changing out the clutch fluid real quick. Brand new clutch fluid in there.
Get that line cleaned up. That's crazy because I just did this not that long ago and it's hella dirty. So that's why I'm replacing the clutch fluid in here, so we get that nice and cleaned up.
All right, cooling system is in, the wiring harness is in, everything is plugged in. You just got to put the intake manifold, the intake airbox, the crash or the radiator support. Flip the switch, battery's already in, and she should be ready to fire up. Oh, we gotta put oil in it and coolant. But she should be ready to go. Heck yeah. Let's go, no leaks. All right, adding the oil. We're gonna add the coolant right now. We're gonna fire it up. Yeah. All right, so no leaks. I say she's ready to fire up. All right, so we'll flip the kill switch. Okay, she should be alive. Yep. No fires yet. We'll prime that fuel pump. All right, let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. My other kill switch is off. Ha 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 ha. All right. Let's try it one more time. Let's pump that sucker up. Here we go. Woo. She sounds smooth as hell, bro. She sounds super smooth. This is how it should sound. Not clack, 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 clack. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. Rallies is back on, baby. Whee. Sweet. She's burning off all that nastiness from that manifold. Quiet, bro. I love it. This is gonna be dope. No leaks, please. No leaks. Yeah, let's get it. All right, and it did throw a check engine light for this camshaft position in B sensor. I've had an issue with this for a while. I actually found the issue. The wire for the pigtail itself came out. So I have a spare wiring harness, and what I did was chop one of the sensors off, restarted it on here. I just put some heat shield on there, some heat shrink. I should have taped it up, but I'm gonna tape it up. I don't like how it looks. But it's coming along. Heck yeah, I love it. We're gonna put the hood on next. Now that everything from the inside is clear, it's not leaking anything, check engine is cleared, everything's good to go. Let's put on the hood, let's wash this bitch, and let's go up the mountain. All right, just washing her up before we go up so she looks good on camera. She still has all that snow dirt from when we went up to Shaver Lake and blew the freaking engine. That's when it happened. Well, I blew it down here, but that's the reason why. Heck yeah. Can't wait. We're gonna get it. It's gonna be fun. Shit, yeah. All right, let's see how far we get without breaking down. Better have a tow truck on speed dial. So far, so good. All right, I got my boy Sebastian back there, and we're gonna go up to Sky Harbor. Heck yeah. So far, 13 miles on the car. No issues yet. Let's cross our fingers. We make it up and down that mountain. And we are here on the hills already. Running perfectly fine. Not overheating. No issues. No check engine. I love it. If we make it over this mountain, we're golden. We should hit some VTEC. There it is, VTEC. Beautiful. She didn't blow. There's no check engine. Ooh, feels good to be back. Feels so good to be back. Look at this view though. This drive. Such a beautiful drive. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the drive. Fuck yeah, and we made it. No issues. Running great. Temps are good. Heck yeah, I love it. Gonna get some drone footage right now before it gets dark. Woo! Let's get it. She's looking fantastic. Dope. Let's see what a dope ass view looks like. Dope ass view looks like that. No mames. Shoo-wee, buddy. Sweet, let me pull the drone out. Alright, I'm gonna screen record the drone footage on my phone so y'all can see what we see.
Home point updated.
Come here so you can see. Where we at, bro? Oh, there we are.
Yeah, it's all the way up there.
Okay. Sweet. So now let's get some footage here. There's other people in the mountain here. Bring this sucker down. Let's stand behind the car so the cars come out. Okay, here we go. Backwards, then upwards. Check it out.
We play Call of Duty and been on those missions where they're on the chopper, shooting them down. That's what it's like. Now you just gotta attach a fucking 22 on there. That's the next step.
Let's turn this sucker around. And let's go back to us. Forward and down. Should be coming. Here it comes. Should be right above us. So I'm gonna fly forward and out. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. Love it. I let that sucker play all the way to 20 seconds. Bam. Alright, and she's about to die, so let's bring the sucker home. 25%. And let's land you home.
Landing.
Shoo, yeah. Love it. Sweet. Hope you guys like that. Alright. So we got that drone footage I wanted. Mission was complete today. Love it. The Civic is running. We got some drone footage up here in the mountains. She's ready for the rally. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.